Hello everyone, it's indeed inspiring to see you back again. In this particular assignment, you have to create a program where you have to implement OOPS concepts using Python. Now let me give you an idea that exactly how you have to do this assignment. We have already told you to think about different projects, or you may have one project idea which you might have been working upon. So this assignment you have to do considering your project. For example, let's say you consider a project like library management system. I'm taking a very simple example as of now. So here we know that in a library management system, what sort of entities or objects or components will we have, which we already have discussed or done in data modeling tasks. So for example, there would be a librarian, there would be books, there would be students or candidates who would be coming and issuing the books. So you have to consider all these entities. And when we talk about classes and objects, in that case, these entities are nothing but their classes, and we create these classes and then we create the objects. We know that classes and objects, they basically help us to implement the OOPS concepts. We have four OOPS concepts, that is abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, and encapsulation. So once you create a class, the creation of a class itself is encapsulation, because the class is having all your data members as well as your member methods. So these data members and member methods are encapsulated within the class. Then once you are creating methods, the methods help you to achieve abstraction. Once you are creating multiple classes and you use one class as a base class or a parent class and the other as the subclass or the child class, then inheritance is also achieved. Then we have encapsulation is done, abstraction is done, inheritance is done, polymorphism. Polymorphism means one method and then the name of the method is same, but once you are creating different definitions of the same method and the same method is behaving differently, then basically that is called as polymorphism. That is, the name is same, but it is behaving differently. So you have to do this assignment basically in this particular task. So I'm posting this. So I hope you will not find any difficulty and you'll be able to do this task. Good luck.